You can also generate your own texture image inside of Blender. So here you can see that there's a cube, and if you want to generate your own texture image, then on the top you can see that there are a bunch of tabs. So I'm going to click on texture paint. So once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. You have a cube right here, and it is pink in color. Pink means that there's no texture image attached to it. So in order to actually generate a texture image, I need to go around over here onto the material. So let me just go around onto the material properties. So here you can see that this is the base color set to white. So I'm just going to click on this little dot right here, click on it, and this is what you have. So now what you can do is on the texture part, you can see that you can choose the texture, and now I'm going to choose image texture. So once I do that, a texture gets attached right here, and now I can click on new, and then here I can define the texture. So I'm just going to say tutor tube right here. I'm going to say tutor tube, and over here I'm going to, let's say, increase the width and height of the texture. So I'm going to have 1500 right here and 1500 right over here as well, and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, this is the texture, as you can see. So now everything is black in color, and that is the texture. So if I were to go around and then paint out texture right here, then the texture is painted out onto that particular image. So I can go around over here and then view. So this is the texture paint. So let me just go to object mode. And if I were to go to texture paint, you can see the texture right here. And you can paint around in this area right here, or paint around right here or here to paint around the texture. And that is how we can generate a texture image right from Blender, and then to work around with it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.